with updates. I just want to give a warm thank you from the bottom of my heart to my core tribe of beautiful goddesses. This weekend past, we had an amazing time for Ostara spring equinox. We went down to the natural springs. We're here in Florida, and we had a beautiful circle time. And when I tell you, it was just gorgeous. The weather was gorgeous. A few days before, it was rainy, and for that day, Friday, when we went, it was just beautiful outside, along with the energies that was felt. And I'm just so grateful to be surrounded by beautiful goddesses that share my passion and spirituality. And it's just so amazing. So I am going to be doing workshops open to the public coming shortly. So follow me on IG and follow me on Facebook, Magick Lotus. Check out the pictures from our spring equinox / Ostara workshop.